Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
So how are you all doing? My name is Vertic and we are back for another video, but this time we're going to take a break from tutorials and we're going to do something a little bit more different. So I had this random idea that just popped into my head of doing a celebrity face swap in Photoshop. I have a list of 30 different celebrities and of course we're going to go ahead and spin that wheel. Let's see what we get. So this is looking a little bit different, right? Okay, so first we have Jim. So we're going to see Jim's face on, who is it gonna be? Okay, this is alright. Okay, so we have Taylor Swift, and so far we have this one for Jim, and we need to also get ourselves, yes, okay, we're onto something. This one's directly facing forward, so that's gonna be a lot easier. We want to get ourselves most of this face right here. Okay. Oh god. We're almost aligned this. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay. Right, here we go. Are we ready for this? This is going to be a very interesting. That is, yeah, on a different level.
Stare into my soul.
That's honestly a perfect reaction. Like I said, the definition of bruh. Right, so that was the last one. The rest of them, I'm not going to use the spinner because it's going to get very repetitive. So enjoy the rest of the video.